10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Hi, and everybody else that I'm sending this to.
And the tree is not.
Daddy's dumb moments.
No, actually, the tree is just too alive.
Here, come out here. Oh, you better step back for one of them. Like, they get crazy. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Kai. And everybody that I'm sending this to. I don't know why I keep on saying Kai.
Probably gonna multi.
No, please don't be a dud.
Don't.
Oh, this is the lame. Uh-oh. Daddy.
Careful, John.
So lucky over there. Let's go watch the cool stuff. No.
John, or Garrett, Brianna.
Is that fire? Is that fire?
Yeah.
Get first marshmallows in the tree. After that hard work.
Is that just sad?
Saddest
Guys,
news
it'll
ever.
go up, but just stop.
Saddest New Year ever. This is pretty sad for a New Year. I do not know
Trying
what
to
to
get out
say
of the
right
way.
now. Can we roast some marshmallows?
You mean.
Oh no.
Here it goes, watch.
Here we go! This is when the real action happens. Maybe, or it's just like... It's just going to fire! Oh, this is awesome! Awesome! Watch out. It's gonna burn the trampoline! Awesome! Oh, I thought we just burned the set down. That's it?
Brianna, hush.
Nothing? No, you have to burn the tree more because I want Kyra. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Here comes another broccoli thing. That's it. $63 down.
Brianna?
Plus tax.
I'll get the marshmallows.
Y'all have very smart mouths, my children.
I'm sending this to Holly, to Kai, to Taylor, to everyone. Seriously.
I believe you.
I'm gonna go get the marshmallows.
Y'all can't roast marshmallows. Y'all can't roast marshmallows. Please put those up. Stop. Can't do that right now, can you? I'm being sick.
That's sad. I think Grandma.
Is that it?
Is there supposed to be more fireworks to that?
Yeah. Is there a starting? Here's my part, Mommy. Show them my part.
What?
Show them my part.
All right, Brianna, right, it's nighttime and it doesn't pick up very well.